Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Guys, the wig I'll be installing is from Luvme Hair. So when you open it like this is the hair inside. So it came with some goodies in here. There are lots. They have a hairband, earrings, bobby pins, edge brush. Also, there is a cap wig bag. So let's bring it out. 5x5 lace wig. See the hairline. It came pre-plucked, but we're still going to work on it. This is the way. See the coil. I want to pluck it little. You guys see this joining here? So I will remove this to this place here. Look both sides. This is the other side. I'm still going to lose this.
My mate, hey, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time, wanna hug me down long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So me say, hey, back up and back up. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, eso sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambinos contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón más. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el final, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Told me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo más, esto está fijo más.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my.
So guys, this is the inside of the wig. It came with combs in adjustable strap and also inbuilt adjustable strap. I'll cut the excess lace from it. I've not glued it down, but it looks glued down. See this? You can decide not to glue this down, no problem.
You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. But you keep running away, forward to yourself.
So guys, this is the third day or the fourth day after the first clip you just watched. So this is the hair so dry. You guys know I put a lot of cream. It's so dry now. So I want to comb it out because this hair, if you want that afro looking coils, you can just comb it out. So I want to show you guys. You see this is the coils right now. You see this after about 4 days of me installing this wig. Okay, so I just put it on my mannequin head for you guys to see. So I'll just comb everything out like this. Look at the front, the side. You see, even as you're combing it, the coils still remain. See, that is so big.
Open up, just spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall, you flying higher.
And one thing I like with this hair, there's no more shedding because coily hair, look, with all the combing, look at what came out of it. See, just this. Coily hair shed a lot. So this is it. Look at it. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. So if you want to carry it afro, natural looking way, this is it. You can carry it this way. Okay, this is really afro when you talk of afro. So you see the front of it. So if you want to bring the coils back, because the last time I added a lot of cream, I don't want to add cream, I just want to use only water. Let's see. In here I have just water, ordinary water. I'm going to spray this all over.
Let yourself yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold.
You see that the coils are coming back.
Love and let yourself unfold.
You can see that the coils are coming back. So guys, look at it wet. You see the coils has bounced back. See this? So I did not add another cream. You can still see there's still cream because the other day I added a lot of things. That's why I don't want to add cream today. Just water will do. You don't need to add cream all the time. Just ordinary water will do. The other day I really added a lot of cream. See, the cream is still showing. So you don't need to add cream all the time. So all you need is just water, and that is it. So you can carry the hair afro, you can carry it dry, wet, coily, like this. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. Check it out in case if you are interested. You can see the coils are popping. Like I said, you can carry it dry afro way, and also you can coil it like this. Just add water and the coils will define themselves. Okay, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remain gorgeous. Bye.
Let yourself unfold.